الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين وعلى كل من تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. أما بعد، أصحاب المعالي والفضيلة والسعادة، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. The time for my comment has been specified only to 3 to 5 minutes, and we have a very hard task master who has very emphatically emphasized that I should speak in English firstly, and to be very brief in my comments. I bow before his command, and therefore I restrict myself to highlight some very salient features and points. Firstly, the presentation of Sheikh Usaid, Alhamdulillah, was so comprehensive that it is very difficult to add any other thing. But I will point out only to some points that I feel the sukuk market should take care of them. As pointed out by Sheikh Usaid, the sukuk used so far are mostly debt-based, and they have been taken as alternative of the loan bonds or debt-based bonds. But there are some other aspects also that for the improvement of these sukuk we have to take care of. Number one, standardization of sukuk does not mean that there should not be a variety of products based on sukuk. Standardization, in my humble opinion, is to standardize the basic principles underlying the issuance of sukuk. Once we have done this, then there may be a variety of products that may be developed through sukuk. This is the first point. Number two, the sukuk issued in the market so far, most of them are meant to manage the liquidity of the banking institution and not to create or produce some new assets for the real economy. Normally what is done is that an existing asset is taken to be the underlying asset of the sukuk, and the sukuk are issued on that basis. And not only this, but the same asset is used for the issuance of sukuk one after the other period. For example, if there is a big piece of land, and for example, in many countries, the airports or seaports or some other sovereign assets are used to issue the sukuk. And then, although the ownership literally is transferred to the sukuk holders, but after a period, for example 5 years, they are returned back to the original owner, and another type of sukuk are issued on the same assets. One asset is used to issue the sukuk periodically, and it does not create any new asset, does not serve the economy in that sense. It is only to manage the liquidity of the financial institution. So, while the actual sukuk should be, as pointed out by my predecessor in the inauguration session, Mr. Zafar Iqbal, that it should use for the developing infrastructure of the countries to develop or produce new assets, and it can be used very effectively. So this has not been done so far as I experienced. Number 3, even the ownership of the underlying asset is not clearly transferred, as pointed out by Sheikh Hussain, and sometimes the balance sheet does not reflect the transfer of the asset from the seller to the buyer. So this is very serious problem, which makes it a debt instrument rather than an investment instrument. Number 4, the issuance of sukuk may be a good instrument to transfer our economy from debt-based economy into equity-based economy. And this has not been done so far in the sukuk market. What I suggest, Alhamdulillah, the Sharia board of AOFI has decided to review the standard of sukuk in the lines already highlighted by Sheikh Hussain. But while developing this, the actual role comes to the financial institutions themselves to adopt that and to practice on the principles laid down by the standard. Now, as pointed out by Sheikh Hussain, there is a gap or difference between what is adopted as a standard and between what is actually being practiced in the market. So this gap should be shortened, or this should be removed by the mutual cooperation between the Sharia scholars and the practitioners. These are some points that I wanted to highlight within this
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Or?
Yes.
I'm sorry for that.
No.
But these are some points that I feel that they are must taken care of in improving the sukuk market. And thanking you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.